I got the juice like a snow cone. Ice in my veins and a cold flow. I'm getting cash.
Hello viewers, welcome to the Mohammed bin Rashid Library in Dubai.
Senoritas going loco.
This library launched June 2022. Mohammed bin Rashid Library is the addition to the long list of must-visit destinations in Dubai.
I keep it hot, give your brain a heat stroke. You ain't a big shot, you some basic.
Normally, it's launched 2016 by His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, Vice President, Prime Minister of the UAE and ruler of Dubai.
Like a dime bag, got me feeling like a milli. Check the price tag.
Now it stands today as a cultural landmark in Dubai. Normally, it will attract renowned professionals, research historians, poets and books lovers from around the world. This large library.
Cause my style.
Library is eco-friendly with solar panel mounted on the roof and fulfill around 10% of its energy requirements. Especially external facade of the building help institute interior and regulate the environment. Normally this shape of building is play a role to minimizing water consumption by up to 50%. This library have so many sections like Emirates Library, Young Adult Library, Special Collection Library, Children Library, Media and Art Library, তাছাড়া রয়েছে ম্যাপস অ্যান্ড অ্যাটলাস লাইব্রেরি, পেরিওডিক্যাল লাইব্রেরি, বিজনেস লাইব্রেরি, much more. Each of these libraries house of over 1.1 million digital and printed book in multiple languages, although included Arabic also. This library also have a million audiobooks, more than 6 million dissertations, 75,000 videos, 73,000 music scores and over 5,000 historical journals like print and digital stored in a maybe 325 years archive. You can also expect 500 rare collectible and 35,000 print digital newspaper from all across the globe. As you can see, there are also digital dashboard also, so visitor can easily find out their book. Inside the library, they have another section, a library cafe, like enjoy a coffee while reading a book at a library. The library house an 800 square meter cafe spanning two floors. The cafe is light, cozy and airy space that offers impressive view of the library, like garden and Dubai Creek. When you sit the second floor of the library, you can easily view of the Dubai Creek and surrounding view. Inside the library, they have amphitheater like Creekside of Library Complex. The amphitheater is an outdoor venue designed to host live event. Like the event held there will range from cultural and music to spoken word performance. Library have language garden also. The language garden features 60 pillars engraved with the quotes of His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, Vice President, the Prime Minister of the UAE and ruler of Dubai. The library operates from 9 am to 9 pm 6 days a week. You can visit the library from Monday to Sunday. It is closed normally Sunday. Library also has an underground parking area where you can park your car for free even. This library have also free Wi-Fi also. The area also has slots for electric vehicle also, so visitor can easily recharge or charge their electric vehicle. Visitor can easily reach there if you travel to Dubai bus like C04 bus is easily access to Creek metro station to Rashid Library. So viewers, all are invited to come Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Library Maktoum library, so you can get there so many huge collection of books. So viewers, no more today. See you next video. Bye bye.
I got the juice like a snow cone, ice in my veins and a cold flow. I'm getting cash overseas by the boatload. You wanna ride my wave? That's a no-go. Senoritas going loco, make it bounce like a pogo. All my haters see rojo, they big mad cause they coming up short like Frodo.